Welcome to The Missing Piece, your go-to for professional and personal growth. In our last video, we provided a beginner's guide to ChatGPT, a fantastic AI language model that you can use for free anytime today. If you missed that video, I'll leave you the link for it in the description below. Today, we are taking a step further with advanced techniques, tips, and tricks of how to use ChatGPT for more and more scenarios. Let's dive in. To get the most of ChatGPT, it's very crucial to be clear and precise in your prompting. Prompting is the way that you ask ChatGPT the question and ChatGPT will answer you. Let me show you. Let's do some comparison side by side between good and bad prompts. A bad prompt might be, tell me something interesting. This is vague and can lead to unpredictable results. A better prompt would be, explain the impact of AI on the job market. This is more specific and guides ChatGPT toward a relevant response. Now let's jump into the context. You can also use context setting statements to improve the output. For example, as an AI language model, provide me an overview of a blockchain technology. As you notice from this statement, this sets the context. I'm specifying the blockchain technology. I'm specifying that it's an AI language model. I could change that to be as a financial advisor or as a teacher or as whomever. Now the results will be more accurate and will be relevant to your question and the context that you want ChatGPT to be guided with. In addition, you can control the length of the response and how detailed it can be. To request a shorter response, try something like explain quantum computing in one sentence, or for a longer one, please provide a detailed explanation of quantum computing. Add the context to that, you can say, please provide detailed explanation for quantum computing as a teacher or as a professional in quantum computing. You can also control the length in different varieties. You can state that you want the outcome to be through number of words or number of minutes to read it or write it. So if you're trying to do a YouTube video and you want to have a specific script, you can tell it to make the script 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 20 minutes, or you're writing some paper and you want that paper to be specific words. So 500 words, 1000 words, 100 words, if it's a blog post and so on and so forth. So you can state all of that. And that would give the guidance to ChatGPT to give you that outcome. If you can do all of that, that would give you a more tailored response that fits your need. Occasionally, ChatGPT may generate inaccurate or inappropriate content. Don't worry about that. There are some tricks that we can play to get the outcome that we want. So we can add some constraint and we can rephrase our prompt. It's extremely important to remember that you also can add those constraints. As an example, if you want the answer to be tailored towards something, but at the same time you want ChatGPT to not talk about something else, so you can dictate that into your prompting. For instance, if you asked about AI's impact on environment and received an irrelevant response, rephrasing it like discuss the positive and negative effect of artificial intelligence on environment may elevate that. Now you'll see kind of both sides of the discussion. The last thing, remember that you can iterate your prompting. Iterative prompting is a technique that breaks down complex tasks into smaller steps. This helps ChatGPT generate more accurate and focused answers. As an example, if you're researching the history of the internet, first ask, who were the main inventor of the internet? Then follow up with, what was their motivation for creating the internet? When you break down those questions and you make them after each other, you will receive more precise information that's tailored to your liking. And there you have it. In this video, we discussed the advanced techniques, tips, and tricks that you can use that can help you tailor the ChatGPT answers to your liking, like iterative prompting, asking smaller questions, providing context, providing constraints, and so on and so forth. Most importantly, to get the most of ChatGPT, remember that you need to iterate, try as many prompts as you can to get to the point that you want. Let me know what you think about those techniques in the comment section below. Also, let me know if you want me to cover any kind of areas or specific industry in ChatGPT prompting. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Also, check other videos on this channel. And remember, I'm here to help you learn and grow your personal and professional life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of The Missing Piece. Keep learning, keep exploring.